Hello everyone, welcome to the Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am a Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is what is object? What is object? We need to discuss object. What is mean by object? At runtime, when the JVM encounters the new keyword, it will use the appropriate class to make an object which is an instance of that class. That object will have been own state and access to all of the behaviors defined by its class. Now we can discuss many. At runtime, when the JVM encounter the new code, that means you can run the Java program. That means you can type javac and class name. Once you can enter the Java, run the Java program. First JVM encounter the new code. That means JVM find out the new keyword where new keywords are available. Once you can find out the new keyword, it will use the appropriate class to make an object which is an instance of that class. That means once you can JVM find out the new keyword, based on new keyword, which class is available. That means which class need to create the object for the particular class. We can create the object. That means which is an instance of that class, means that instance means object. Object means instance. Instance means object. Don't confuse here. Instance means object. Object means instance. Based on the new keyword, that JVM will create the object of particular class. That object will have its own state. That means that object have available own instance variables, static variables is available in that object, and access all of the behaviors defined by class. In class, which type of methods were defined, access all the methods. That behaviors means methods. This is the object definition. Another definition is at runtime entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. Now we can discuss with the example. Class means is a template. Object means is a building. That means class is designed. Class is designed. That means plan is designed. Then construction also constructed. Once you can construct the building, what next step? Oh, family will join that building and enjoy the inside the building. That means how many bedrooms is there? That means we are living into the building. That means object means we need to use. We are using the building. Object means using. Like building also we are using. Once we can construct the building, we are using the building. We can sleep in the bedrooms. We can use the TV. We can put the TV and enjoy the TV in hall. We can cook the food in kitchen. That means we are using the room. We are using the rooms. Every room we are using. Every place we are enjoying. We can balcony. We can sit with family and talking each other. That means we are enjoying in the balcony. Like that, object is we are using. That means we are using the particular thing, anything. Suppose you can take mobile, you can buy the mobile, you can use that mobile, we can call, we can see the YouTube channels, we can see the mobile apps, how many mobiles are available, how many apps are available, we can see, and we can use that apps in the mobile. That means mobile is an object. Mobile created, mobile design is a class. You can, don't confuse. Class is a template. That means planning of the product, any product. First we need to plan the product, then we need to produce the product. Producer means object. That means we are created and using that object. That is the object. Like that, object is defined. An object has three characters. Every object has three characters. One is state. State means instance variables. Behavior means methods. Identity means unique ID value. That means every building has one name, one number. Government, that means municipality providing one identification number for each building. Every person have one name. Every mobile have one name. Like that, identity means each object has one name. That each object has one number, one identity is there. That is the identity. This is a object definition. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in below comment box. Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Tech YouTube channel.